Hello everyone. If you are someone who feels that life looks fine from outside, but inside you are searching for clarity, calm, and confidence, then this video is for you. I have been a banker, a homemaker, a mother, and now I am rebuilding myself as a creator. And in this journey, books became my silent mentors. Today, I want to share 5 books that didn't just motivate me, they changed the way I spend, think, believe, handle, care, everything about life. I'll also show you a single mind map with every book because that's how our mind understand better. So let's begin. The first book in the list is Sattvic Revolution. This book taught me one powerful truth that food is just not for energy. It's not just fuel, it is information. When I simplified my food, something unexpected happened. My thoughts slowed down. I realized what we eat affects energy, emotions, and reactions, and it overall control your life. A restless gut creates a restless mind. If you eat heavy, you are restless. Discipline is more healing than any shortcut. And during my career break, when I was constantly tired and overwhelmed, Sattvic living helped me feel lighter physically and mentally. So, this book is not about dieting, it's about living with awareness. And I had followed every principle written in the book, and now I can't tell you how enlightened I feel. The second book is The Art of Spending Money. Most of us are taught how to earn, very few are taught how to spend consciously. This book made me ask few questions. Am I spending for joy or to impress? Am I buying solutions or distractions? Even with a finance background, I realized spending is emotional, not logical. As a homemaker, it helped me detach my self worth from spending decisions. I learned that peace doesn't come from buying more, it comes from buying aligned, true to your value system. Money is not evil, unconscious spending is the evil. So, the third book in the list is Manifest. This book didn't teach magic, it taught alignment. The biggest lesson was you don't manifest what you want. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest who you believe you are. I was not manifesting enough about success, so I was not. I was manifesting courage to show up again after a long pause, to speak, to create, and to trust myself. So nowadays it's happening. So, whatever you manifest, it's not just sitting and visualizing, it is clarity plus belief plus daily action. So, if you are believer of manifestation, be an action taker. The fourth book is Attitude is Everything. There was a phase in my life when I felt invisible, nothing, no validation. This book reminded me my situation was temporary. My attitude was permanent. If I choose it, it is going to be magic. It taught me thoughts create patterns, actions dissolve fear. Failure is feedback, not identity. The day I shifted from I am left behind to I am rebuilding, everything changed. This is the magic of this particular book. And then the fifth book in the list is Let's Talk Money. This book is especially for women and mothers. Even educated women stay disconnected from money decisions. This book simplified money into divided in categories: emergency fund first, then goals before products, and then behavior over knowledge. I truly believe that financial clarity is emotional security. If you are choosing your emotional security, you will be having financial clarity. Both are vice versa. Money doesn't buy happiness, but money confusion steals peace. It's very deep. So, when I look at these five books together, I see one connected system. They all talk about the principles of each other. Like food saves energy, spending reflects value, belief drives action, attitude defines resilience, and money clarity creates calm. So I have attached the mind maps for every book along with the book review I was going through. So go through those mind map. It's about my life design. It's going to be yours too if you follow. Even if you are stuck in one area of your life, start from these books. This is going to be an awesome journey. I can't tell you enough how much help I have been provided when I read these books and follow whatever the teachings were there in the books. So, see you in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching.